Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share with you a preset that will make you sound like Future. So here we have some vocals and they sound like this.
Bro smoking weed on the regular. A Mary jeans on the regular. Louis 15 on the regular. A Mary jeans on the regular. Yeah. I was in the grave for a while. Had a bag of moon rocks. I had to lay for a while. But bro smoke.
Okay, so now we're gonna apply the preset and add some auto pitch. You can find the link to get the preset in the description.
Bro smoking weed on the regular. A Mary jeans on the regular. Louis 15 on the regular. A Mary jeans on the regular. Yeah. I was in the grave for a while. Had a bag of moon rocks. I had to lay for a while, but the hustle don't stop. And my brothers ain't never seen a Glock, but they was busting them shots. Don't put Fanta in the walk, I just sip it on rocks. She go see cops, I go.